day, everyone. It's me, Chanel, here, and today we have a Mother's Day retreat collaboration, and I am collaborating with 4 other YouTube creator beautiful ladies, as you will see coming up in the picture above, and there will be a playlist listed below in the description box. And if you can't find the description box, check out my latest video on that. And there will also be a giveaway, so stay tuned in the video for the details surrounding the giveaway, as well as all of the information that you will need to enter. Retreat I am going to use, which you can use as well. Of course, mothers love fresh flowers. Well, most of us anyway. I know I do. And this is a great way to surprise mom. Even if you can't go visit her, you can send her a beautiful bouquet of fresh florals. I have chosen these on today to create part of my retreat, my specific areas that you'll see coming up in the video. Some fresh tulips in a beautiful color, maybe mom's favorite color, and I like the color pink, especially in tulips, and this beautiful creamy off-white. I'm gonna make a simple, quick arrangement. And again, for mom's retreat, you can always buy a beautiful bouquet of flowers, or you can personalize it yourself and go to your local florist, choose all of the beautiful florals, put them in a beautiful vase, take them right to mom. Or you can have them delivered as well. Simple items maybe mom would like. As you can see here, you can never miss with a lovely pair of cushy, comfortable, fluffy slippers for mom's feet on those tired evenings, or just waking up in the morning and she wants to create herself this beautiful bath retreat using some lovely bath salts, as well as maybe some soaps of her choice in a perfume scent. Of course, a great scrubber is excellent. And maybe you can go in, and if you don't want to do that, or if you can't, just send her all of these items and she can create her very own retreat area. Or you can go ahead and just create this area for her. And a lot of these items at your local department stores. And here I'm featuring an item that has the hair turban that she can use to pull her hair back, as well as a soft towel that she can use when removing her makeup, or just to pat her face dry after giving herself that wonderful scrub. And then of course, get her a beautiful set of pajamas that she can use when she's creating that lovely bath area. Set up her spa area if possible, and add all of the items that she would need. Maybe also you can add to this a set of her favorite colors in nail polish. Maybe you can do this if she can't go to the salon to get them done, or again, you can just set these items up for mom on the top of a beautiful tray and have it all ready for her spa day, her retreat. And then a great facial cleanser that is battery operated, and give that face a really nice massaging with maybe the cleansers of her choice and the moisturizers to end it with. That is just an awesome retreat that you can provide for any mom, aunt, or a grandmother, maybe even a gift for your sister. You can complete that wonderful retreat area with, of course, a bath ran with some warm, sudsy water, and place that beautiful floral arrangement that you either sent to mom or that you set up in her space. Of course, add her loofahs and her foot scrubs, as well as a great lotion. And maybe she's into the bath bombs, the scented bath bombs that you can place inside of your tub, and just give her a couple of choices maybe that she can choose from. And don't forget the scent of a pretty candle which is listed here. This particular candle is called Pretty. You can find this on my Etsy shop. This would make an excellent Mother's Day present. It is a beautiful burst of floral scent with a hint of sexy undertone to it. You can't miss with this one. I guarantee it. And then after her great retreat area, give her a great place that she can go retire to. Maybe with her favorite cup or her drink along her side, with a cozy blanket, and just maybe her favorite book. And just give her a restful moment where she could just cuddle up, maybe even by herself, read her book, and fall fast asleep. Now again, you can find all the information in the description area for the collaboration, and I will also leave it here in the video as well. Here is the item that I will be featuring for the giveaway from my channel. It will be this lovely candle here in the name Pretty. And again, you can find this at my Etsy shop as well, but there will be one winner from my channel who will win this beautiful candle. Thank you all for joining me, and don't forget to click below for all the participants in the collaboration on today. And again, there will be a giveaway for each channel, but you must be a subscriber as well to each channel. All the information again is listed in the description box. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.